What you thinking, Bubba? What you thinking? Am I bugging you? Are you trying to sleep? Okay, we'll let you go to sleep.
Like we always do about this time.
What's up, MadFam? Welcome to today's vlog. I'm gonna call today Taco Bell Tuesday. Why not? We're going to Taco Bell. You made up your mind yet, Mur?
No.
Mur's undecided. I got a list here. Stopped by Sting Cupids before this, but I'm gonna put the footage in after this, so it'll be a little reverse of time thing there. Mercedes says don't order in an English accent. You still say no?
Yes.
Darn it! Should have let me order in an English accent.
No.
Why are you saying no?
Because it's embarrassing.
What's embarrassing about it? You're not ordering in the English accent.
It's still embarrassing to me.
I don't understand what makes it embarrassing.
It just is.
Most fast food places, we have to do the official count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see how Taco Bell did today, guys. 13. Taco Bell Tuesday away!
Wow!
I hit the dude in the blue cap. Almost ran over blue cap. Watch out, blue cap!
In it.
Alright, we home, MadFam. Let's go have some Taco Bell. I don't know what we're gonna do. I've been bugging the girls to do something, but we'll see. Anyways, we love you. See you in a second.
Adios.
So, I challenge you to a drag race in the Hot Wheels. Do you think we can do it? Okay, now you gotta close your eyes. We gotta count to 3, and then we're gonna jump, and we will be at the speedway. So you're gonna hold my arm? Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Sweet. Oh, look at our cars. Oh, it's on. You're losing today, girl. Oh!
So, welcome to today's races, folks. We're here with the very first racer, Mad Nina. Mad Nina's racing in Pinkie Pie today. Who are you taking on today, Mad Nina? What are you gonna do to Mad Daddy? Well, you heard it here, folks. Now let's flip it over to Mad Daddy and see what he has to say.
Today's race versus Mad Nina is personal, because she don't even have a driver's license. I don't know what we're doing here. But anyways, I don't know if anybody's ever seen an old movie, Over the Top. When I turn this hat around, I become a machine. Let's get it on.
So tell us, Mad Nina, how does it feel to win today?
Awesome.
So we were thinking for the prize, we're gonna make Mad Daddy take you to get donuts. All right, dab on 'em. So that's gonna conclude today's Mad Races and Mad Speedway. Come back for some more Pinkie Pie. Come back for some more Mad Daddy, and we'll see you when we see you.
What's up, MadFam? Time for It's a Wrap chat. So I just got done editing the Hot Wheels video here. I hope you enjoyed it. It was what's on before. What's weird is I'm checking out the day after we made the video, but that's just how it works sometimes. So, what we need you to do is we need you to
smash the like button. We need you to smash the subscribe. We need you to leave us some comments because we like to know what you think. Hope you liked the video. If you did, we'll do it again. I could do some other editing angles we did, but it just didn't quite work out like I thought it would, did it? So, in the end here, we need to be mad, be happy.